What's up, beautiful people? Welcome to 31 days of blend, and this is day 23. So, for today's video, it is not a blend request, this is just something that I came up with. It is actually connected to a particular blend request. I did a color pink and color 613 some time ago, and I didn't like how it turned out. So, I was like, oh, I think it would look better if I had added the color one or color two to it. It's basically just color black. And then I got a comment that said, oh, try it and then let us see what it looks like. But crazy enough, I can't find that comment. I don't know why I cannot find it. I'm not even sure if I replied to the comment at that point. I just know that I saw the comment, so I just decided to like do it today and then put it up. If you were the one that asked if I added the color black to this blend, to the 613 and pink blend, and then put it up, do let me know in the comment section. I'm really sorry that I did not reply you, or but I did see it. I don't know how that happened. But moving forward, we are going to be blending the color pink. This is rosewood from Expression, then color 613 also from Expression, and then the color 2. So I'm going to be mixing all these three colors together today and then see how it turns out. Moving on, at every stage of this blend, I'm going to be showing you what it looks like. That's what we've been doing lately, and I've been loving it. I feel like that shows you how each stages of blend looks like before it becomes completely blended, and then you can see what it is looking like when you want to stop blending, how you want your blend to look like before you stop blending. And I really do hope that it helps you the way I pictured it in my head. So yeah, we are going to be using the same quantity of color 613 and the color pink, and then I use half quantity of the color black for this. I don't know why I did that, to be very honest. I just wanted to see how it would turn out. I don't think it's up to half, I think it's more than half of the quantity of the color pink. I just wanted it to still have that touch of color black, but I didn't want the black to completely overshadow the pink and the blonde mix. If you would love to see the pink and blonde mix, do check it out. I'll drop it in the comment section below so you can go check it out. I didn't like the blend at that point because it didn't give me like two colors. It just made the color pink a lot lighter than the actual color that it is. So yeah, that is why I felt like if I had added the color black to it, it should have given it a little more color and make it look a lot better. It is nice. I'm not saying that it was not nice. The blend was really nice as well. I did not just like that the colors just blended in too well. I would still love to see like, oh, the way this one is looking right now, I still love to see like a little touch of color here and there, just popping. You get what I'm saying? So yeah, for new subscribers, welcome to my channel. My name is Toby. Thank you so much for joining us today. I've been posting blend videos for like 23 days now. This is the 23rd day. This is the 23rd video that I am putting up. So basically, I just hit 1000 subscribers on YouTube, and to say thank you to my subscribers, I decided to do something that they love the most on my channel, and the videos they love the most on my channel are my color blend videos. So I just decided to dedicate 31 days of my life to creating these videos for them and then uploading it on YouTube. You can also join the family if this is something that you enjoy. If you've been enjoying the videos, if you've been loving this video so far, join the family by clicking on the subscribe button, and also turn on post notification, which is the bell icon beside the subscribe button, so you'll be notified when next I post a new video. If you also have blend requests, just drop them in the comment section below for me, and I'll be sure to do that just for you. Also, like the video, it really does help the channel. Share it to other people who you think would need it as much as you do need it, or even if you don't need it, you can just send it to people. Share it on your social media pages. You don't know, somebody might need it. It might be someone saving grace. I will be happy, you will be happy, and then the person that saw it will be happy. So we are a collection of happy people. You get what I'm saying? So yeah, if you've not liked the video by this point, I mean, you have watched to this point, and I'm sure that means you enjoyed the video. You would have clicked out if you were not enjoying the video. So just go ahead to like it. It really doesn't do nothing. It is free. It just supports the channel, and yeah, everyone is happy. Okay, guys, so this is how far we have come. This is how much the blend has blended. The only thing I can think about when I look at this blend is this comic cartoon cake trend that has been going on lately. I'm just going to insert a picture of it on the screen. It looks really, really nice, and it looks yummy, and it looks almost like that. Like when I see the blend, that is what comes to my head, and it actually makes me want to eat cake this morning. So I think I'm just going to make breakfast, and my breakfast will be cake this morning. So yeah, this is how far it has blended, and I am really, really loving it. It is also looking like a dirty blonde. You know, when blonde is not really blonde, like it's looking dirty. That is what, and that is another vibe that I'm getting from this as well. I can still see the pink. I can still see that it has like a shade of pink, but I can also see like blonde and black all working their magic together. These three colors are just the bomb. They blend and glide together like they were made for one another, and I really, really do love it. Of course, I prefer this one to the blonde and pink look that I did earlier. You should really go check it out. I'll put in the description box. Go check that one out after you are done watching this one, and then let me know in the comment section which one you would prefer. Would you rather wear the pink and 613 as it is, or you would rather add the color black to it and give it some extra touch to it? I really, really do like this pink, black, and blonde. I feel like it is giving what I want it to give, in my own opinion. Another thing I love about this color is the fact that you can wear it anyhow you want it. Any complexion can wear it. It looks good on all skin tones. It will be fabulous on your skin. Now this is what it looks like after I am done blending. As you can see, all the colors that I added are well combined already. They look yummy. They look like they were made for one another, as I said earlier. Now I'm just going to give you an even closer look so that you can see what you are getting into if you are going to rock this looks like I added the color purple or maybe lavender to it, but I didn't. This is what it is looking like. I'm going to braid with this extension and also show you what it looks like. After I braided with this extension, that was when I realized that the braid actually does look different when the extension does look different when it is braided from when it is just as extension like that. I feel like all the colors are like in one place, you get me? So it is smaller and it is easier to see. You guys, I was so angry when I was editing this video because this thing refused to focus, and I did not even realize. I kept trying and trying, but I didn't know that I still didn't focus. But I'm just going to insert more clips of me trying to like make it focus so that you can see the color and what it looks like. I absolutely love it. It is something that I would definitely rock. Yeah, this is a more close-up look and a clearer look. Of course, it is giving whatever you want it to give. It is giving richness. It is giving chill. This is something that you can just wear and go for a vacation. Trust me, you will love it. So yeah, that is the end of this video. I really do hope that you love it, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.